AI video technology has taken a massive leap in quality over the last year, moving from glitchy, unrecognizable clips to visuals that feel like they were captured with a professional cinema camera. The exciting reality today is that there isn't one singular best tool, but rather a diverse ecosystem of apps that each tackle a different piece of the creative puzzle. Hi, I'm Garrick, and today I want to guide you through how top creators are blending impressive AI-generated footage with smart automation to actually grow their influence. We will look at the heavy hitters in generation, but more importantly, I'll show you how to take long-form footage and turn it into the kind of consistent short-form content that actually performs on social media. Let's start with the first thing everyone notices: realism. Specifically how tools like Google's Veo and Luma's Dream Machine can create footage that looks almost indistinguishable from reality. Luma Dream Machine is fantastic at handling complex motion and busy scenes, giving you incredibly dynamic compositions that really capture the eye. The trade-off here is consistency, where you might notice slight oddities like footsteps not perfectly aligning or a hand flickering for just a few frames. On the other hand, Google's Veo is currently proving to be a bit more coherent, doing a great job at maintaining consistent lighting and natural camera movement across longer shots. If you need footage that reads as real-world for spokespeople or cinematic lifestyle shots, Veo is a very strong contender that is becoming more accessible for many users. But AI video isn't just about fooling the eye, it's also about artistic expression, and that leads us to the vibrant world of stylized and animated output. This is where Pika and Runway really shine, offering tools that prioritize deliberate, expressive, and unique visual styles over pure realism. Pika tends to produce a more polished, cinematic animated look with glossy reflections and dramatic lighting that feels like a high-end short film. Runway, meanwhile, leans into classic animation aesthetics, offering bolder shapes, simpler shading, and highly exaggerated expressions for a distinct artistic flair. The real differentiator for Runway is the level of control it gives you, with a suite of tools for tweaking camera moves and using reference frames to keep things consistent. If you are managing a brand or a series of pieces that need to match perfectly, having that precise control over the output is an absolute game changer. Okay, so you have realistic clips and stylized assets, but generating a single shiny video isn't the same as building a content strategy for your long-form library. You are likely sitting on hours of interviews, streams, podcasts, and webinars that are just waiting to be sliced into short clips for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Many people look to automation tools like Zapier to bridge the gap between their generation tools and their distribution platforms. You can absolutely build custom workflows that pull content from a Google Doc, trigger a generation tool like Runway, and save the result automatically to your cloud storage. However, there is a big difference between generating a single cool clip and managing the daily grind of discovery, batching, and scheduling that creators actually face. Most generation tools are optimized for creating one high-quality asset, but they aren't built to solve the workflow problems that happen at scale. That is exactly where Vizard changes the game, because it doesn't try to replace your generators, it focuses entirely on the editing and distribution of your existing footage. Vizard effectively scans your long-form video, identifies the most punchy and viral moments, and turns them into ready-to-share social clips. It auto-selects the best camera angles, trims to the perfect length for the platform, and adds captions, saving you from hours of tedious manual scrubbing. Beyond just editing, Vizard handles your content calendar, scheduling posts automatically so you can maintain a consistent presence across platforms without the burnout. Everything lives in one central dashboard where you can review, tweak, and publish directly, which is significantly better than managing a piecemeal stack of multiple apps. Let's look at a real scenario. Say you have a weekly hour-long live stream. Vizard can instantly pull 10 or 15 high-energy moments and schedule them for the entire week. This turns your one weekly effort into a daily stream of content that continuously funnels new viewers back to your full-length videos. If you are a podcaster, Vizard surfaces those hidden sound bites that would kill on socials, edits them to length, and cues them when your audience is most active. I also want to mention Kling.ai, which is a fantastic low-barrier option if you want to experiment with generated clips without a heavy financial commitment right away. Just remember that while those generators are powerful for visuals, they don't replace your actual personality, which is what your audience is really tuning in for. So, my recommendation is to use a mix of tools. Generate some stylized assets with Runway or Pika if you need them, but use Vizard to manage the real content engine. Vizard's workflow-first approach frees you from the one-off video loop and allows you to publish consistently without all the manual busy work. What are you sitting on right now? A massive backlog of interviews? An old podcast archive, or an 8-hour live stream that needs to be cut down? Tell me in the comments and I'll share some specific tips on how to turn that archive into a month of daily clips. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the evolving world of AI content tools.